Hey friends, if you encounter the error Windows was unable to locate required install file boot.wim, then please watch this video. I will help you. Now I need to show you one thing which is very important, that it has been clarified that nobody has an answer to this problem yet. I have also checked other websites, other channels and other forums for solutions, and people say that the solutions are not working. This includes an SFC scan, this includes system restore, nothing is working at all, nothing at all. So if you encounter this issue, and obviously since it is with the boot, it is a very problematic thing, then here's what you can do. The only solution that I can suggest in this case is a cloud reset. Okay, this will fix the problem for sure. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. Scroll down, select recovery, click on reset PC, select remove everything, obviously after backing up your computer, and then click on cloud download. This will fix your problem and nothing else can. I have confirmed it over major forums, but if you still think that any solution worked for you, please let us know in the comment section of the video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.